Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Bharma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. So today's job notification has came from Cognizant and they are hiring for programmer analyst trainee position. They are hiring for freshers and it is 2020 recruitment. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this news with your friends, and please hit the like button if you really like these job updates, and please stay tuned with this video, watch the full video to get more detail about this job notification. Okay, so let's start this video. So you can see Cognizant has published their notification for hiring their position programmer analyst trainee, and degree needed is BE, Tech and MCA. Experience needed is required freshers, and work location will be Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. And the responsibilities you need to handle is requirement analysis and efficient task execution, like raise clarification, adherence to schedule timelines, maintain effective working relationship, participate in project and organization initiatives and documentation, participate in call and status reporting, learning and training, and also you may have to do some testing and also some development work. Okay, so the training, in the training section you can see you need to understand details of quality process practices followed in project, going through the project specific documentation, boot camps to learn about the client application suites, and also tools like quality center, Jira. You can able to learn that tools from their training, attend any knowledge transition sessions, completing the domain technical project relation certification, etc. So if you're really interested, you need to click on apply link here. If you really click on this apply link, you will be redirected to the career website of Cognizant. Here you can see the programmer analyst position. The job ID is 0039851921. Yeah, and the location is Chennai. They are hiring for. So you can again check the job description here. You need to you may have a chance to go to design analysis part, or you may get a chance to do lots of coding there. You may have got a chance to develop custom components in Java.net or any custom requirements. So and you may have a chance to go to in the testing industry of Cognizant. So there are lots of opportunities in this programmer analyst trainee position. So they're hiring a bulk of candidates for this particular position, because in following this section or in following those categories they will be recruiting their candidates. So if you're really interested in coding and any design and development work, then you can go for this job. And you need to may develop POC for solution design, realization, etc. So a candidate must have a skills, a cyber arc PIM will be a benefit to you, and it is a full-time job. Okay, so you can see it is latest job updates November 9 2020, the job posting date. So you need to click on apply now. After clicking on apply now, the application form will be open to you. Yeah, so you need to proceed with the candidate privacy policy. Then you need to upload your resume here. By uploading your resume, they will automatically fetch the first name, last name, email address and contact number. So those things you need to fill up, like previously employed by Cognizant. If it is yes, then you need to fill up your employee ID. If it is no, then you need not to give this employee ID. Total years of experience, you need to give your skills. Then after clicking on next, you need to fill up the educational details and some pre-questions, like if you have any trainings or not. So those things you need to fill up there. So this is the job up. Yeah, so this is the job updates for Cognizant program analyst trainee position. If you really think this is applicable to you, then please go for it. And salary will be 3.3 LPA according to the last year notification, but you will get a quite good salary there. So That's it all my friends. If you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button because it gives me motivation, and stay tuned with me to get daily job updates. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video with latest job updates. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.